Want to know what you can get for $700,000 in Roseville, California? Well, today you're going to find out. Remember, my friends, I'm John Jackson, your friend in real estate here in the Sacramento area. I can help you and your family get settled in what I believe to be the best area in Northern California to live. I'm talking about areas like Roseville, Rocklin, Dorado Hills, Folsom, and all around Sacramento. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel or reach out to me in the comments of this video that you're watching right now. And I'll continue to provide great videos for you with insights on lifestyle, schools, real estate, and more. So let's dive into what you get for $700,000 in Roseville. So before we look at this beautiful house, I'm going to walk you through, let me tell you about the town of Roseville and what you're going to get here. You're going to get access to the top rated schools. That is why a lot of people move here to Roseville. Some of the best schools in all of California. Now there are several different parts of Roseville. Today we're actually looking at West Roseville. That's where all the new building is going on. But there is also Old Roseville, New Roseville, Old Roseville. That's downtown. Then there are some tracts of homes that are 20, 30 years old. But today we're going to be in West Roseville. A lot of building has taken place out here off of Highway 65. So you mostly get new homes like the ones you see right here. You also have access in Roseville to great shopping and amenities. So right nearby is the Galleria, plenty of restaurants, plenty of places for you to enjoy things with your family. Not to mention, you're only about an hour and 15 minutes from Lake Tahoe, and you are about 30 minutes from the Sacramento airport if you are a traveler. So everyone wonders, what do you get in Roseville for the price? Well, let's take a look at one of my listings, $700,000 in West Roseville. This multi-generational house is just over 2,700 square feet, 2 master bedrooms, and a total of 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Let me tell you about this neighborhood. This is in a section of homes that was built about 6 years ago. The home is made of stucco and it has a 2-car garage, 2-story home. So let's take a look inside. So as you walk in, you have a half bath right to the left, and that one's gonna be for your guests. And then you have the stairway there that leads to, obviously, upstairs. So then this house really opens up to a big kitchen and living area. So it starts with this dining nook right here, breakfast, small dinner, that type of thing, works perfect. And it butts up to the island, sort of the peninsula here in the kitchen. So that brings you to the kitchen. The kitchen is definitely one of the highlights. I have 2 or 3 major highlights on this house for you. There's an island in the very center, and then there's U-shaped countertops wrapping around the entire kitchen with cabinetry and plenty of storage around the entire space. So you can imagine how perfect this is. With this giant kitchen, plenty of room for prep and space, and then maybe you have the kids sitting up to bar stools here. You could serve them breakfast, clean all that mess up and get it right over to the sink. Nice and easy, makes for a nice and clean kitchen. So just a great kitchen layout overall. That then opens up to a great sized living area, nice sized living room. You can do so much with this space. Kids, entertainment, having people over, this space just works for a family. And that opens up to the backyard, which we will look at in just a second. So into the kitchen, you will enter this space from the garage when you pull your car in. Now this isn't the fancy part, but it is really cool. You've got the 2-car garage. In here has cabinetry built in, a charger for your electric vehicle, and plenty of space really for hobbies and the brains for the solar system, along with a tankless water heater. Pretty cool. So here's another huge highlight. People love this and they want this. Off of the living room is a master bedroom. This is not the only one in this house. Check this out. So you have a nice size master bedroom downstairs, and this would actually be an ensuite. This is not the main master bedroom. So you have a great sized room, plenty of light from the outside into a nice sized bathroom. So in the bathroom, obviously shower, double sinks, and check this out, the creme de la creme, the washer dryer. It's real, check it out. So there's a washer dryer here and one upstairs. So just wait, that's coming. Nice sized closet. So grandma and grandpa could live here. A teenager that needs a little extra space. Basically, this is a great room for multi-generational living, all downstairs. Ooh, another beautiful day in Roseville. Look at this. Very nice yard. So this particular one has field turf. It has some pavers to put a little dining set, and then it has a covered patio. Not to mention what's really cool here is these owners have put in a very nice shed for storage. So in here, they had hardly used this. They just installed it, but you've got plenty of room in here for storing all kinds of things. I mean, check it out. You could even put a Duraflame in here. I bet you could put a couple thousand Duraflames in here. That's the downstairs, but guess what? There's more. Let's go. Just came upstairs. We're gonna get the loft last. I wanna show you that at the very end, but before we do that, let me show you what else is upstairs. So here is the laundry room, the second laundry room. Remember there's one downstairs in that master suite? Well, this one has a little bit of storage, plenty of space for washer, dryer, of course, and some cabinetry. So there's no running up and down stairs to get your laundry done here at this house. Of course, there are good sized bedrooms up here. This one could be used as a kid's bedroom or an office. Ceiling fans installed, and a walk-in closet. And then the bathroom up here is a full bath, and this would be for the kids to share if you had kids at this house. Nice and spacious, good sized shower stall, perfect for a family. So at the end of the hallway, you have this third bedroom, the second one upstairs. Great bedroom for kids, plenty of room upstairs, ceiling fan, walk-in closet, lots of light. And finally, this is where you get your peace and quiet, the master bedroom upstairs. So you have plenty of room here, lots of light, lots of natural light actually, and then that gives way to a nice large bathroom, which we will look at in just a moment. And then there is a walk-in closet. Did you notice that this walk-in closet upstairs is smaller than Grandma and Grandpa's walk-in closet downstairs? What? So then the master bathroom, double sinks, of course, windows in the master bathroom, which is a winner for light. And here we go, a second walk-in closet. So that answers your question. There is more closet space upstairs than downstairs. So this is the part you've been waiting for. This is the loft. You come up the stairs. This loft is about a 15 by 15 space, and it's set up as like a seating area, but this can actually be used as so many different things. Obviously, a kid's toy and play area, no brainer, games, all that type of stuff. Some people may put a TV right here and use it as a little bit of a theater. Some people may put a TV here and use it as a video game space. You could use it as a reading nook. So many different options, but people love lofts. And I think this is one of the highlights. So for me, the highlights of this house, the downstairs master bedroom, the two laundry rooms, the kitchen, open, nice layout, and finally, this loft right here because it has so many options, variety of things you can do. So that's what you get for $700,000 in Roseville, California. I would love to know your thoughts. What do you love about it and what would you change? So make sure to take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this with great insights for you and your family. See ya on the next video.